In this video, I'll show you how to fix the "there was a problem with the server" 400 error in the YouTube app on Android. First, open the Settings app on your phone. Scroll down and tap Apps or App Management, depending on your device. Next, tap Apps List. Search for Google Play Services and tap on it. Now select Storage and Cache. Tap Clear Storage or Clear All Data, then confirm your choice. After that, open the Google Play Store. Search for YouTube and tap Update if an update is available. After the update is complete, launch the YouTube app again. The "there was a problem with the server" 400 error should now be resolved. That's it. This is how you can fix the YouTube server error 400 on Android. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to our channel, and press the bell icon for more tutorials. Thanks for watching.